Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see it in the title. I'm not playing no games with y'all anymore. I'm not playing no more games. We done graduated, bro. We done went from here to B-roll of the Zingo to the Universal Audio Apollo Twin. This is the industry standard. Welcome to the video. I'm so happy that you guys are here. If you have not, please hit that subscribe button, man. I'm trying to get the subs up, trying to get the likes up, trying to get all the stuff up. So we are here, man. As you guys can see it in the title, this will be an unboxing, a review, and a sound test of the Apollo Twin. I am a vocalist, so I want to show you guys what the Apollo Twin gives and what it's given. You feel me? I gotta show y'all what it's given. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Stay that like button. We in movement, boy. Let's get it. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Apollo Twin unboxing. As you guys can clearly see, this is the back of the box, right? Which shows all of the features, the plugins, and the Thunderbolt connectivity of the Apollo Twin. Absolutely beautiful. This is duo core, okay? We don't have quad core money, so we got duo core. That's the front of the box, and that shows the Luna recording system. They say it's a DAW, but it doesn't really act like one, and it's also equipped with real-time analog recording. And this is the back of the Apollo Twin. Let's get into it. So, my dumb behind tries to unbox this, right? And I cut it, and my dumb behind rips off the back of the box. And I'm trying, look, you see what I'm doing? You see what I'm doing? Don't be like me, okay? Let me just do this the right way. You see, God, you know, throw this away. Stupid. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the front of the Apollo Twin. As you guys can clearly see, it has a magnificent finish. I really love everything about it. The nice gain knob that it has right here in the middle. Okay, now we have the plastic wrappings that's covering over the LCD display, but as you guys can see, that is the mic and the line input. Shows you the display of both of those, as well as the monitor and the headphone input as well. And then below we have the buttons that illustrate the functionalities of the interface itself, but once we actually turn it on, we'll get into all of that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Apollo Twin. The rear end has a very fine rear end, right? No pun intended. That's the optical line input, up to 8 channels. A power on and off switch. You need that for it to work. The 12 voltage DC adapter, as well as the Thunderbolt connectivity, your line outputs 3 and 4, and your monitor outputs, of course, left and right, balanced, and your mic and line XLR inputs with unison technology. I don't know what that means, but that's the technology that it's got. So that is the front of the interface. I don't know why I showed you that again. That's your high Z input, which is for guitars, and that is your slot for headphone output. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now this is the instructions to show you exactly what you need to do in order to get your Apollo Twin hooked up to your computer. And then we have the box, if I can get it out. There we go. We have the box. That's a 12 voltage power adapter, and that's what you want to use to plug into your power adapter so that the Apollo Twin can work. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So let's go ahead and take this out. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like so that you see what you're working with. Okay. There it is. Boom. The pièce de résistance, the 12 voltage power adapter, right? Go ahead and place that down. And then we have these plastic things that I don't realize we need until later on in the video. We're going to show you what happens, okay? Now, I'm going to just throw these away right now because I think I don't need them. Right. Like, what? How embarrassing. All right, y'all. So real quick, I want to show y'all that this is the Thunderbolt cable that Guitar Center was so graciously able to give to me. Not give to me, but I purchased it along with the Apollo Twin because they do not include a Thunderbolt cable to go along with it. I know that you guys have probably seen other unboxing videos that show that the Thunderbolt cable doesn't come along with it. You got to buy it separately, which sucks, but that's what it is. All right, y'all, so I want to go ahead and show you guys exactly where all of these cables go. Okay, so that's the 12 voltage DC adapter. We're going to go ahead and plug that in real fast if I can get it in there. Boom, just like that, okay? Real smooth like. That is the TRS cable, okay, to our monitor. So we're just going to go ahead and plug that into the left output, right? Boom. Then we have the right one. Go ahead and plug that in. Come on, King. Boom. Just like that. Yes, sir. Now we got to go ahead and hook up the mic. Boom. just like that. It's really simple, y'all. And then that is the Thunderbolt connectivity. We got to plug it into the back of the interface, and that is going to go to your Thunderbolt in the back of your iMac. Now, keep in mind, if you have an iMac that is compatible, that goes along with the Apollo Twin, okay? Now, this is the DC adapter. I thought I didn't need this. But I did, right? From beginning and earlier in the video, we got to plug that in and bam, just like that, okay? Let me see if I can get it in there. Hold on, y'all. Wait a minute. Boom. Okay, I thought I didn't need it. But anyways, that is the front of the Apollo Twin. You can switch from mic to line input, as you guys can clearly see. That is what I'm toying with right now. Then you can also apply a high pass filter to your vocals, and that's also 48 voltage power. Has a built-in preamp for audio interfaces. Pad the input if you'd like to, as well as the reverse polarity. Reverse polarity. Let me go ahead and zoom in here so y'all can see that. And then we can link the both channels to stereo if we like. And if we switch into monitor, we can press the talk button, as you can see, so that we can connect with the artist. We can dim the monitors, right, so that we can lower the volume if we want. We can switch the output of the monitors to mono, and then we can also mute them. So all of these are great functionalities to have. All right, Key Nation, man. So y'all saw the horrible time I was having trying to unbox that G thing. But we here, though. You guys see, these are the instructions on how to get started if you focus for me camera. People already see I messed up with the unboxing. They can't, everything else got to be smooth sailing from now on. All right. So this is the instructions. We finna go to the computer right now and get started. Let's get it. All right, family. So here is the website. I do not have a Universal Audio account, or maybe I do. No cap. I think I do have a Universal Audio account because I tried to get some plugins and realized that I couldn't get any plugins through Universal Audio unless you had hardware. And I said, what? Why would you do that? That's discrimination, bro. Anyway, so it says here, register your device. I'm MkII. That is my name. To begin, choose your hardware device from the menu below. If you're registered to use device, click here. Okay, it's not used. We got that Apollo Twin Thunderbolt, you feel me? I think, oh, but it's Heritage Edition too. I believe it's Mark II. Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, it's Mark II. It's the black face. It's Mark II. Let's get it. All right, here we go. Connect your Apollo Twin. I already did that, bro. Come on, man. Oh, next. I was finna say, move faster. All right, download Mac OS, Big Sur. Download Mac OS. I think I already did that. Let's see where we at. I'm pretty sure I already had Big Sur on here. Yes, sir. Come on, man. I'm already ahead of the game.
You stupid.
They're not.
We got to install and restart, bruh. All right, Key Nation, we are back. So remember when I said I needed to restart it? I shouldn't have. And let me explain the reason why. The reason why is because my dumb behind did not download the installer I was supposed to before I got to the personalized step. Everything is pretty much going crazy right now, but we're gonna make a video out of this either which way, and I'm gonna make sense out of it. I'm a professional editor. I do this. I went ahead and downloaded the installer, and this is what we got right here. Let me bring it up. So we just finna go ahead and go through it right now. This is the introduction. Not reading it. Read me? No, not reading it. License? Not reading it. Agree, you feel me? And let's go ahead and just do all this. Continue, install. Let's put in my password. You feel me? All the women love King. There we go. That's it. That's my password. So if anybody wants to log into my Facebook account or my Instagram, my MySpace, whatever it is, just type in my password. All the women love King, because it's true. So just type that in and you'll get in. Let's cue a fast forward. All right, y'all, so the installation was successful. I mean, hey, we doing it. And if you guys have any problems or if you're trying to troubleshoot your device, you now see that I've experienced everything. So you know how to deal with that too. Let's restart the computer. This is the UAD console, all right? So let me show you guys what this is specifically. This is basically a representation, a visual representation of what you have and what's going on with your Apollo Twin as you are tracking vocals. These are your plugins and your inserts so that you can monitor your real-time audio recording and your plugins. And let me show you what that is. So this is everything, okay? These are all the plugins, of course, right? Which is i.e. the category all. You have your delay, dynamics, EQ, guitar, bass, amps, harmonics, mastering, all that stuff. Now keep in mind, all of these plugins are not going to be available to you when you purchase it, okay? Some of these are, some of these aren't. You got to go to the back of the box, which look, no, I messed that up. But it shows you guys specifically what plugins that you guys have and what comes along with it. I can't go through it specifically right now, but it shows you guys what plugins you have. And what I'm gonna do, y'all, is because my battery is finna die and all this took as long as it took, I will be doing the sound test. And look, we getting ready to die right now. I'll be doing the sound test, but I will do it tomorrow, okay? So y'all gonna see a completely different outfit and everything like that, but I will be doing the sound test tomorrow. It's all gonna be combined in one video, so do not go away, okay? Y'all are gonna see a cut to a sound test, but it will be done tomorrow, and I'm gonna see y'all.
Don't underestimate the power of this inhibition. They cannot stop us, we the gang and it's the coalition. Don't underestimate the power of this inhibition. They cannot stop us, we the gang and it's the coalition. Don't underestimate the power of this inhibition. They cannot stop us, we the gang and it's the coalition. Don't underestimate the power of this inhibition. They cannot stop us, we the gang and it's the coalition.
Alright, Key Nation, man, so we are back and it has been a long time coming. We finally here to the end of the video. We done did a whole day, had a whole day pass, had our outfit change. Y'all went through a whole journey with me, okay? It was a lot of mistakes during the video. I'm very aware of that. But y'all see at the end of the video, the way I edited it, I made it seem as clean as possible and as entertaining as possible so that you guys could see the actual troubleshooting stuff that we actually go through as engineers whenever we don't know what's really going on. You feel me? We got to figure it out. We're not technological like a lot of y'all is. So I just want to make sure that y'all get the genuine and the authenticity of what's going on here, man. So I hope y'all enjoyed the review. I hope y'all enjoyed everything that happened, including the mistakes. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing, the sound test, everything that we got here, man. And holistically, this is by far my best investment that I've ever made. I'm gonna keep it 100,000. I love the Apollo Twin more so than the Zengo. We will be having an audio interface shootout coming very soon between the Focusrite and the Apollo Twin. We've got the we already did the Zengo versus the Focusrite. But we'll be doing the Zengo versus the Apollo Twin, the differences, why do I like it, why don't I like it. We'll also be doing a sound test between every single one of these. You're just gonna see a lot of reviews and stuff like that on this gear that I got because it's content and I know y'all want to see it. So if y'all got anything else that you want me to talk about, please comment down below what you want me to do, what videos that you guys want me to see. I actually have a compressor getting ready to come in, so I'll be doing an unboxing video on that. I need to shut up. I love y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, fam. Gang!